Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Reagan if you are new here, and today we are going to be unboxing and trying on my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. This is a monthly subscription. I believe it is $21 a month, but you get 5 full-size items every time. And this month, the bag that came with it, I really love. It's one of those where it's like you swipe it the opposite direction and it changes the color of the bag. Now, I don't know if I'll actually use this bag because I'd be afraid of tearing up the little sequins off of there, but I really enjoy the swapping it back and forth between the two colors. So that's what the bag looks like that came in this month's December Glam Bag Plus. I don't think that there is any type of theme to it, but we will go ahead and we're going to just jump right in. So the first thing in the bag, or the box, is from F.A.R.A.H, F-A-R-A-H, F.A.R.A.H Gold Face Brush Trio. This retails for $40, and I'm probably going to be using at least one of these brushes. Let me get them out here real quick. So these are what they look like. They don't have anything listed on them to tell you what is what. They do have numbers though, 30F, 40F, and 50F. But this is what they look like. So it's a large powder brush, a stippler brush, and a large angle brush. So I will probably be using the large angle brush for using it as a blush brush today, if you can say that 3 times fast. So the next thing in the box is from Lancome. This is the Monochromatique in Haute Contour. This is a cream to powder tint. You can apply it to your cheeks, to your eyes for eyeshadow, or to your lips for a wash of color. So I'm going to use it as blush today, and hopefully it not be too pigmented. I'm hoping it's one of those buildable kind of colors, because this is a very dark color to begin with. I'll go ahead and get that angled brush out. And alright. And as I was afraid, that is kind of pigmented. So there, kind of calm it down a bit. Alright, so that retailed for $25. I'm not sure if I mentioned that. The next thing in the box is from Smith & Colt. This is Book of Eyes Palette and Ice Tears. This retails for $44. And this is what it looks like. It is just 4 colors there. Really only one matte color, and the rest are shimmer. But we're gonna go ahead and try and do an eye look with this. Alright, so how that came out. So we'll go ahead and to the next item in the bag, which is from Estee Lauder. This is a Pure Color Envy Sculpting Lipstick in Never Enough. And that is the color. And that retails for $32. It's kind of like a corally pink in a way. But that's what that looks like. And then the last thing in the box, this is from 111 Skin. This is a vitamin C brightening booster, and this bad boy here retails for $180, which is insane for just a face oil. But this is what it looks like. Vitamin C brightening booster. Yeah, it says that you can mix it in with your moisturizer or apply directly to the skin, and wear sunscreen during the day, obviously. Works to improve dull and lax skin. A highly concentrated booster targets signs of hyperpigmentation and irregular skin tones. Both helps to reduce and prevent discoloration. The result is brighter skin with enhanced luminosity. This bad boy better make me look like 20 years younger for the cost of it. But we will definitely try that out and see how it works. So overall, the entire box retails for $321, which is insane considering you're only paying like $21 for the box. So that's $300 of just extra product there that you're getting. So it's definitely something I would recommend looking into if you're already an Ipsy subscriber, whereas you're only just getting 5 sample items a month for $10. For that extra $11, you're getting so much more. So highly recommend checking it out and seeing how it is. I will leave all the information down in the description box below. But I want to thank you for watching. If you've not already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you will be reminded the next time I upload. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Again, thanks for watching, and you have a great day.